Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a spouse work permit extension in Canada. First, let's cover eligibility. The principal applicant, your spouse, must hold a valid study or work permit. Their permit needs to be for a program or job lasting at least 6 months. You, as the spouse, must either reside in Canada or plan to move here and maintain your temporary resident status throughout the process. Understanding these initial requirements is key to a successful application. Next, gathering the correct documents is crucial for your application. You'll need to collect a copy of your official marriage certificate. Also, provide clear copies of both spouses' current immigration documents, such as permits or visas. It's important to include proof of the principal applicant's ongoing status in Canada. Finally, ensure you submit a fully completed application form along with all other supporting papers. Being thorough here saves time later. Now, let's walk through the application process itself. You must apply online through the official immigration portal. Be prepared to pay the required processing fees, which are typically $255. Make sure to upload all necessary documents, ideally as a single PDF file for each section, to ensure everything is received. Most importantly, submit your application before your current work permit expires to avoid any complications. After submitting your application, what's next? Expect processing times to vary, often taking several weeks or even a few months. A great benefit is that you may be eligible for implied status, allowing you to continue working while awaiting a decision. Always respond promptly to any requests for additional information from immigration authorities. Lastly, remember to keep copies of all submitted documents for your personal records. Good luck with your extension.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.